Now, you can see from a distance this wing looks pretty good, but if you came up close, you'd see actually it doesn't look that good. And that might happen to you at home. So what you will do is get a little bit of your face cream or eye cream, put it on the back of your hand. You're going to get a Q-tip. These are so good, these Q-tips. You can get them anywhere. Have a pointy end and a flat end. Use the pointy end, dip it in a little bit of your face cream or your eye cream, and this is now going to be a razor. Don't want to use too much to tap off any excess. And then I'm just going to move this into position. There you go. It's that easy. So this is a really soft kind of, I've got a wing, but it's not like a harsh wing because I don't want anything to look harsh. It's about looking soft. Use code 20 for 20% off 3 mature makeup must-haves in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.